Okay, I'm going to go over 3 applications that Google has that can help you with your occupations. Being an athletic trainer, you'll have patients that you'll have to contact and talk to. Using contacts, you'll be able to create contacts or import their contacts. These 3 apps are also on iOS, so I'll be able to access them through my phone. It'll be a lot easier to keep up to date with patients and contact them easily. Another app is Google Meet, where I could easily schedule a meeting with a patient if I need to update or see their progress, not have to be face to face, especially in the times we're in. That makes that very useful. And another application, or our last application, Google Calendar, very useful. With this, you can schedule plans with your patients, send it to them. You can allow them to look at your calendar or access documents, videos, anything you set up with them. You can share that with them, and it can be very helpful to set up meetings and allow them to know when that meeting is and what they'll have to do, maybe with a document or a video that you want to show them before your next meeting, that they can do a little bit of research and do some practice. You check their progress in the line of athletic training. That would be useful. But those are 3 applications that will be useful in my future occupation.